Your headline is the first thing recruiters see. It can make or break your chances. In this video, I will show you step by step how to craft a keyword-rich, value-driven LinkedIn headline that grabs recruiter attention. Now let's get started. The first thing you want to do is identify target keywords. You want to research job listing in your field and note recurring terms, skills, tools, or certificates. These are the words recruiters will search for. Next thing you want to do is highlight your value proposition. Lead with what makes you stand out. Instead of just software engineer, try software engineer dot scaled microservices to 50M users. This shows impact. Leverage symbols and punctuation. You want to use a middle dot or vertical bar to separate elements. Next, you want to include 2 to 3 high priority skills or credentials that align with your target role, such as PMP certified, SEO specialist. These signal expertise at a glance. You want to use LinkedIn's edit headline feature to try A/B variations. Monitor profile views and recruiter messages over a week to see which version performs best, then refine accordingly. And that's it. With these steps, you can transform your LinkedIn headline into a recruiter magnet. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.